Hello everybody, today we are going to learn about exact and if function in Excel. Here is the formula of exact. Exact is compared with type 1 and type 2. We use the exact function when we would like to compare two words or two text that we want the result for exactly matching. If we also can compare any logical, also about text, comparing for function that is the same. To understand it more clearly, we can go to example. Here example, today we will compare with two words, compare wording. So I can write here, I write hello. And the column C I write hello too. So we can just write two different format to more understand. Hello. And we can write more words. Let's subscribe to my channel. Here. We just can copy the text here into this column and edit the word. So we will compare the exact formula and if formula in here. Okay, so we can write the exact formula. We compare the B3 with C3. So we can see if we use if function logical, so if B3 equal C3, comma, the value true is so T, if false, so false. Okay. Here we can write in two or any word in here. We can write any word. Okay. I think you can see the difference of exact and if. As you can see, for exact function we compare exactly match. We compare even letter, capital or lower in the wording. But if formula we just compare the same word. Hello, even write capital or not, but it is true because it is the same. For example, if we change in this from let to please, so it is different past, different word. The if is also the result is fair. We also don't if we don't want to write if, we also write equal. We just compare. We use equal here, but equal here is the result will be the same of if formula. Yeah. Control D. You can see not only capital in here. Okay, even capital the letter in here, the exact function still understand it. Even we write this. Okay, you see? Okay. So that's all for today about exact function, if and equal. Thank you for your watching.